Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language journey. Today, we are diving into another topic, which is 10 different ways to say said. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expression. Other ways to say said: commented. He commented that he liked the food. Opined. She opined that red was not her color. Argued. They argued whether pineapple belonged on pizza. Negotiated. They negotiated their business deal over coffee. Consulted. He consulted his doctor regarding his health issues. Clarified. She clarified the rules of the game to everyone present. Specified. Contractor specified the material required for construction. Illustrated. The teacher illustrated the concept using real-life example. Summarized. The manager summarized the quarterly reports into digestible point. Highlighted. The speaker highlighted the most important parts of the speech.